Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Our skin endures so much on a regular basis, be it heavy makeup, pollution, dust, chemical products, and so much more. So it's extremely important to take care of our skin and prevent it from damages. So I'm going to show you a quick routine that I follow to make sure that my skin stays healthy and pampered. Coconut oil works as a natural makeup remover without drying out your skin. Use it to remove your makeup, even that stubborn mascara that refuses to get off. Take a cloth dipped in warm water, squeeze it and gently wipe your face to remove your makeup. Repeat this with a fresh cloth to steam your face and open your pores. Coconut oil tends to clog pores and in some cases can also cause blackheads. So use a scrub right after to exfoliate your skin and get rid of any oily residue. Sheet masks are easily the simplest and the fastest way to hydrate your skin. Just place it on your face and let it sit for 20 minutes. Make sure you pat the residue into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Spritzing a toner on your skin post-mask brings its pH level back to normal and also helps it better absorb your serum or moisturizer. Make sure you do this once all the serum from the mask has absorbed into your skin. Just like aloe vera, bamboo also has moisturizing properties that will keep your skin smooth and soft for the rest of the day. This step will make sure to seal in all the good ingredients from your sheet mask. So this was my skincare routine, something I do every Sunday. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And while you do that, don't forget to check out POPxo Shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like laptop sleeves, phone covers, notebooks, and so much more. So check out the link in the description below. And for more such makeup and skincare tips, keep watching POPxo Beauty.